guys? What's up? We're getting there. We gotta do our cement board in the shower. Now we can get in here and board these walls with our moisture resistant board. But before we get to that, we have to insulate that wall because this is a bathroom. The shower's making noise. That makes noise. And a little bit of privacy goes a long ways. So we like to put this is a decent product. We put this one inside the walls, and that's gonna absorb the sound. And that's for a 2x4 wall. And then we can board it. Cement board. That's it. Enjoy the weekend, you guys. Catch you on the next one. Gonna be doing some taping and compounding. Fun.